I'm California Employment Law Attorney Neil Shouse. The new Parent Leave Act was actually repealed in 2020 because its provisions are now covered under the California Family Rights Act, abbreviated CFRA. Here are 3 important things to know about how CFRA works. 1. CFRA applies to all employers with 5 or more employees. And employees are eligible for CFRA leave if they worked for the employer for more than 12 months and worked at least 1,250 hours in the previous 12 months. 2. CFRA allows eligible employees to take up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave to care for themselves or a family member suffering from a serious health condition. Eligible family members include a child, a spouse, a registered domestic partner, a parent, a grandparent, a grandchild, or a sibling. CFRA leave can also be used to bond with a new baby or for a qualifying military exigency. 3. CFRA does not require that the leave be paid. Employers just have to maintain the employee's health insurance and ensure that they have the same or similar job when they return to work. However, employees who take CFRA leave can apply to the California Employment Development Department for paid family leave benefits. Depending on the case, the program provides partial wage replacement for up to 8 weeks. For a free consultation with an employment law attorney, we invite you to contact us here at 877-SUE-MY-BOSS. The legal team at Shouse Law Group will fight to get you the most favorable resolution possible in your case.